don't, but hey guys, welcome back. Sorry for the last video. I didn't realize that it was completely blurry until I was already editing it, so I didn't really feel like redoing it, to be honest. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, notifications, comment, whatever everybody else says. So tonight we're finally getting to the install on my car. Ken, yay.
Insert that sound effect. Yay.
Yay. So I downloaded my Whipple instructions. It's meant to be silver car on it. Hey. So I'm starting to tear apart my car. If you can see, all I did was take the engine cover off, and I got a couple of the clips off for my bumper, which will be nice because I'm actually kind of struggling getting closer to the car because of the splitter. So we're going to take the bumper off, which the instructions say, and then we are going to dig into it. So the blower is off, but I don't have my lid. It is still getting powder coated. You're probably wondering why the heck this guy's taking so long. He's a friend, so he's kind of doing it as a favor for us, so we're not really in a rush. It's not like it's holding up the whole project. So technically, some of the questions we've been getting, what stage is this going to be? It's a stage 2, but it's almost like a 2.5 because they haven't released a 3. So a lot of the fast cars that you see from Texas and Florida, they're running E85. So that's what's going to put it from a 2 to what people are saying is a 2.5. So that's why I'm trying to keep my expectations for power as well as numbers really low, because I don't want to say, oh, I'm going to have 900 and run 9s and then run a 1070 at 700 horsepower, because that'll kind of break my heart a little bit. So we're going to dig into this tonight. Hopefully have it done tonight and tomorrow. Hopefully be able to get it to my dad in a week or two to be able to tune it. Depending on when he gets back stuff from Whipple. He had to order us a coupler as well as a pulley. Actually, I think he had the pulley laying around. We'll figure it out because we're doing a 375.
Right?
Yeah, 375. So we're going to be doing that, which is what's changing it. And then I showed the heat exchanger, which I'll show again when we start installing. So again, if you have questions, have concerns, have no idea what's going on, that's fine. I've been in information booth the last couple days for people, and that's great, and I love it. So if you guys have any questions, message me on Instagram, that 1320 chick. We're gonna get started. Where are we at so far?
That big line at Colton.
Oh, yes.
I was gonna say that whole thing does not pop out.
Yeah, it does.
It's not supposed to. You just need to remove the clamp. And then put it back in. Plug it back in the hole.
So great.
Family channel. Why do I have to say this in every video?
Did you like look directly at the camera?
Oh, absolutely he did.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi guys, we're back. Where are we?
In my garage.
It doesn't really look the same. Brian. I know we're in the garage.
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 Carabas.
Garages.
So you guys know Ken. I don't think you guys have met Colton yet. Say hey.
Hello.
He was over when we started the other car.
Yeah, but we never introduced him because Steve was here, and then we'd have to introduce him.
Oh, we didn't introduce more than one person in that episode?
Just kidding. No, Steve was just being mean.
Well, that's nothing new.
Okay.
Okay.
So what have we done?
We are disassembling Joe's car.
Thank you. I already did an intro. I just want to know where we're at now.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do a pan shot.
Pan shot.
Watch out.
Bumpers
Brian.
off. Active shutters are removed because this was a 401A car. JLT is off. Vacuum lines are being removed now.
JLT for sale.
JLT not for sale. Oh, 2 JLTs for sale.
1 JLT for sale.
Why 1?
Because Ken's keeping mine.
I need the box, and
Well,
I thought you were keeping the other one.
No, I'm gonna Cobra Jet mine.
Oh.
I like how we was like, oh. Okay, well, one JLT.
One full JLT.
The thing is he says it so confidently, like he's told us 1,000 times, and like we know the plan.
News every day.
Yeah.
Okay, one full JLT.
One full JLT.
One half JLT.
One JLT without box.
Yeah.
For sale.
It won't
Slide into those.
Slide into those DMs.
I get enough slid in DMs.
Well, you're gonna get some more slids.
Why can't
They coming.
I can't get it to focus, Brian?
Okay.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Yeah.
Is
I want to make
is
sure
it
that I don't
focused,
break
Brian?
it.
Yeah, you just tap where you
I
want.
know, but it's not. It's literally. There we go. Finally. Ken, family channel. Do you want me to get
I
monetized?
didn't know you were recording.
Okay. What else have we done?
We pulled everything off the donor car already. So that was step one. So since we kind of know how this stuff already comes apart, we're kind of just ripping it all off. We're low-key following the Whipple instructions, which do a fairly decent job of explaining exactly what to do step by step. I mean, the only thing that I think it didn't mention was when you take the bumper off, the 18s get that cool new bumper bracket.
There we go.
Was I too close?
Yeah, it won't focus.
Oh. So, I mean, other than that, we're just kind of following through the instructions right now. Taking things off, keeping stuff organized, putting clips and bolts and nuts in bags and labeling them just so we know where it all goes when it's time to go back together. But we're just going to keep on pumping away. At some point we got to drain the coolant out of the car. Next step is we're removing the thermostat housing.
Oh.
We should drain the coolant first. This is what we should have done to begin with.
God, I hate the smell of coolant.
Like dirty vagina.
No, I was.
What?
I was avoiding saying that.
But it's not wrong.
Just for a quick comparison of my new throttle body versus my stock throttle body, you can see it's quite a bit different.
Major step. Intake manifold removal.
Oh.
Maybe. Oh, you bar, what the hell? Are these?
Brian, you gotta watch it, otherwise you gotta bleep your swearing out.
I'll beep my.
Put like a duck call over it. I'm like, meh.
That's what he does sound like 90% of the time.
Is there another push? Oh, I'm sure there's push pins in the back right now. Ready? Yeah, there. Yeah, hold on. I got the actual connector.
Oh, hell yeah.
You in a year?
Me and 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Super NA swap. Engage. Don't lower it. Whoa! Whoa!
Are you lifting?
Whoa! Yeah, I'm playing. Yeah, playing. Busy playing.
I just hear sound effects. I'm trying to read you the fucking.
Did you watch though, Ken? Watch.
I'm gonna watch it.
Whoa!
Flirting with. It's gonna end up on the floor before tonight's over, so it doesn't even matter.
I wonder if I can catch it.
I'm intrigued to see this.
So let's see. Oh, you got some of it.
Yay! Success! It's not as good as all of it, but
Not a failure.
did we just do that?
No.
No, that's been like that for a while.
Does this mean I have coyote tick?
Something got too close to something, and the
Yeah.
belt lost.
It started stressing
Should
it
I
out.
ask my dad?
No. We'll figure it out if the Whipple throws belts.
Oh, great. You know when that'll happen? When I'm far away from home.
Drop those bitches in.
I have terrible flashbacks when I took the lifters out of the V and left one in. Why did we put different spark plugs in?
Probably
You know.
the gap difference because of the boots. Gap and heat range and... Alright.
These spark plugs already know I'm gapping people.
That's the, I have a tree branch in my eye.
A tree branch?
Yeah, it's huge. It really hurts. Yeah, you just get it. You get it on there. Do the threading? There it goes. Unless it's like really difficult.
Oh, I'm gonna get that little Mustang tattoo on
Oh,
Tuesday.
yeah.
Do you wanna go with?
If I'm. Yeah,
It's gonna have to be later.
I have class on Tuesday till
Probably
6:45. Okay, then yeah, I'll go if it's
Where you
after
going?
school.
Red
But Plunkett.
Oak tattoo. No, it's some guy I followed on on Facebook for a long time. My sister looked at all of his work and she's like, yeah, he's pretty good.
I
He has
mean,
the
if a
same-
tattoo artist can't do
Oh, that's
a
what I said.
Mustang logo, they have bigger issues.
Well, he's like a Mustang guy, so I was like,
Oh,
this will be
really?
good,
That's
yeah.
cool.
He's like, oh, that'll be fun.
Thanks.
I like had to explain it all to Brian because he's not for it. Brian wants a baby raptor.
A Ranger Raptor?
No, he wants
Oh,
like
a
a
I want a badass rat.
You said a baby raptor? I was like, oh, a Ranger Raptor?
no, he wants an actual
I
dinosaur.
kind of like the Ranger Raptor.
No, he wants a dinosaur
Oh,
on his
I was
body.
just saying sidebar.
Oh, I had to go see Jeff twice today, and there was like different weird keys on his desk, and I grabbed it, and I was like, "It's a Ranger," and I was like, "Oh, guys, you guys said a Ranger?" And he says, "No, keep reading it." He said Range Rover.
Oh, God. Okay. Next.